The meaning of life. This is a question that no one can possibly answer. Everyone has been asking it, of course, since the beginning of time. But I suppose that anyone who pretends to have an answer to that question is someone really not worth listening to. I think the most we can do about questioning what life is about, whether that means meaning or not, I don't know, is to ask questions. And I think from the time we're very young, we begin to ask these very big questions, such as, why am I here? How did I get here? And why is the world here? And what is the world? And is the world real, or am I imagining the world? I remember when I was a little boy, I would think these thoughts all the time. And I sometimes wondered, for example, what if our world, the thing we consider the universe, is really something that's inside a jar, that's sitting on a shelf in an enormous giant house, and that we're just one jar world sitting next to many other jar worlds. And what does this say about us? Perhaps that we're much smaller and less important than we think we are. All the possible permutations of what life is finally lead to, again, not answers, but more questions. And I think this is the beauty of human life and human effort, is to keep asking the questions. Artists do it with their art. Scientists do it with their work in science. Philosophers do it, trying to think about these very big, difficult, sometimes abstract questions. Mathematicians try to do it, to try to understand how the world is structured. But I think, again and again, the more we know, the more we understand how little we do know. And that there are questions that we might be able to answer, but it's not a definitive answer. It just leads to another question.